Hello my dear friends, today we will be discussing about the second exercise of fraction. It is in standard 6th, exercise 7.2. Okay, in the previous exercise we have studied that what is a fraction, okay, how to recognize the fraction and how to convert if the statement is given, then how to convert the statement into the fraction. Yes or no? But today we will be studied about the fraction and how it is linked with the number line and how many types of fractions are there. Okay my dear friends, so before going to the exercise, just please subscribe my channel and like it, and if you have any doubt then please write in my comments so that I will clear your doubts. Okay, let's start one by one. Okay, so in the previous class we studied that what is a fraction. Now how to represent this fraction in the number line, let's see. Okay, suppose 2 by 3, we know that it is a fraction, yes or no? So how it will be represented in the number line? Draw a straight line with the help of scale and pencil. We know that the fraction is what? Sum part from the what? More part. Here which one is more? 3 is the more, 2 is the sum. So what you have to do? You have to divide this straight line, okay, or the number line into 3 equal parts. 0, 1, 2 and 3. Okay. Now, because this line is divided into 3 parts, out of that, how many parts we have to show? 2 parts. Where is the 2? Here is the 2. What about this one? It is 1 by 3. It is 2 by 3. It is 3 by 3 or 1. Okay. So, which one is the 2 by 3? This one is the 2 by 3. Like this manner, you have to be show the fraction in the number line. Understood? Okay. Let's discuss another one. What is the another one? It is. Let's see another example. Let's go for 5 by 8. So what is the first step? The first step is draw the number line with the help of scale and pencil. What is the total? Out of 8, 5 parts. So total is 8. So divide this number line into 8 parts. 0, 1, okay, just let me, because it is 8 parts. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. You have to do equal number of parts. Okay. Then what you have to do? 5 by 8. Which one is 5 by 8? We know that fifth position is 5 by 8. But first one is what? 1 by 8, 2 by 8, 3 by 8, 4 by 8, 5 by 8, 6 by 8, 7 by 8. The number is 5 by 8. No, round it. Understood? Like this manner you have to be show the fraction in the number line. Understood? Okay. Let's go to the types of fraction. How many types of fractions are there? We will discuss this one. Okay. Let's go for it. Okay. The fraction is of 3 types. Okay. How many types of fractions are there? 3 types of fractions are there. First one is called proper fraction. Proper fraction. Second one is improper fraction. Third one is mixed fraction. Understood? Okay. So how we will recognize that which fraction is which one? Okay. First discuss the basic of fraction. What is the basic? We know that fraction is what? It is the division between the numerator and denominator. Yes or no? So if numerator is greater, numerator is smaller and denominator is greater, then the fraction is called proper fraction. Same in the case of improper, it is the reverse one. What is that? It is also the fraction of numerator divided by denominator, yes or no? But here numerator is greater and denominator is smaller. Understood? If the numerator is greater and denominator is smaller, then that fraction is called as what? Improper fraction. Example, 8 by 7. Here numerator is greater, denominator is smaller. That's why 8 by 7 is the improper fraction. Here numerator is called as, you can take 7 by 9. Here denominator is greater, numerator is smaller. Okay? Like this manner you have to be, remember it. Okay? What about mixed fraction? Mixed fraction is the combination of a whole number and a proper fraction. Okay? What is a whole number? You can take 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, whatever. I will like here 2 whole of 3 by 4. Here 2 is the whole number. 3 by 4 is a proper fraction. Here 3 is smaller than 4. That's why it is a proper fraction. So combination of whole number and proper fraction is called as what? It's called as mixed fraction. Understood? And remember always improper fraction can be converted into mixed fraction and mixed fraction is converted into improper fraction. This is the main thing. Understood? Okay. Now you understood this one. But how to convert the proper to improper to mixed and mixed to proper? Let's see it. Improper. Okay. Let's see it. Okay. So take an example of your cases. As we are taking as 8 by 7. 8 by 7 is a improper fraction. Yes or no, my dear friends? So how to convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction? What you have to do? You have to divide the numerator with the denominator. 7 ones are 7. Here 1. So whatever the complete division is there, you have to write like 1. What is the remainder is there? You have to write in numerator and the divisor will be 7. So I will write the improper fraction of 8 by 7 into mixed fraction of 1 whole of 1 by 7. This is the funda of how to convert the improper fraction to mixed fraction. Understood? Let's go. Okay. Before going to that one, is it, because we have discussed that what? Mixed fraction can be converted to improper. Then here, whenever you are convert the mixed fraction into improper, what you have to do? You have to multiply these two and you have to add. That is 7 into 1, 7. Then 7 plus 1 is 8. That is 8 by 7 is the answer. Okay? Like this manner, you have to solve what? The improper to mixed, mixed to improper. Let's go to your exercise and check it. How the question will be solved according to the given funda. Okay? So my dear friends, if you like my channel, please subscribe it. Okay? If you have any doubts, then write in my comments so that I will clear your doubts. Understood? Okay. Let's go to the exercise 7.2. What the 7.2 is saying? The 7.2 exercise, first number is saying that draw a number line and locate the points on them. Okay? Draw a number line with the help of scale and pencil. First bit is saying that it's 1 by 2, comma, 1 by 4, 3 by 4 and 4 by 4. First thing is that what? What is the total parts? It is there. Means the denominator. 2, 4, 4, 4. All are in 4. So divide this number line into 4 equal parts. That is 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. So 1 by 4. The first one is the 1 by 4. Second one is 2 by 4, 3 by 4 and 4 by 4. Okay. So if I name it A, B, C and D, then I will write A is equal to 1 by 4, B is equal to 2 by 4, nothing but 2 1s are 2 2s are, it is 1 by 2, C is equal to 3 by 4 and D is equal to 4 by 4. Like this manner, you have to show the given fraction in the number line. Understood, my dear friends? Okay. Let's go to the another question of your book. Okay. So what is the next one? The next one is saying that so 2 by 5, 3 by 5 and 8 by 5 and 4 by 5. Okay. So always remember that what is the total? Total is 5, but you have to draw a number line. Okay, 0. But check the numerators. Here it is very important. Why? 2, 3, 4. All of them are less than 5. It's okay. But 8 is there. It is bigger than 5. So you have to be divide the number line up to 8 equal halves. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 6, 7, 8. Okay. So it is already we divided that. But you have to take this one into 5s. Remember, you have to take this one into 5 equal halves. Okay. First take, okay. Let's go for it. What it will be? First one is 2 by 5. Next one is, tell me. Sorry. First one is 1 by 5, 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 4 by 5. 5 by 5 is nothing but it is 1. Then it is more than that one, then take it 6 by 5, 7 by 5, 8 by 5. So write here A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H. Write down what is which one? B is equal to 2 by 5, C is equal to 3 by 5. Then which one is 8 by 5? Here it is 8 by 5. H is equal to 8 by 5 and D is equal to 4 by 5. Like this manner, you have to show all the fraction in the number line. Okay? How it is easy, my dear friend. But before doing any mathematics, you have to be what? Clear your funda. Okay? Okay. Let's go to the second number. What is the second number is? Say. Okay? Okay? What is the second number is saying? The second number is saying that express the following into mixed fraction. Always you know that improper fraction is always converted to the mixed fraction. So what you have to do? You have to divide what? 20 divided by 3. Okay, like this. 20 divided by 3. It is 20 by 3. By means divided. Okay. So 3, 6 are 18. Remainder is 2. So what is the whole number is there? 6 will be written as it is. Denominator will be as it is, remainder will be on the numerator. So 20 by 3 is nothing but 6 whole of 2 by 3. Understood, my dear friends? Okay, very good. Let's go to the C. C is saying that what? 17 by 7. Again, 17 divided by 7. 7 2s are 14. 3. Whole number is there. Write here 2. Division will be 7. And remainder will be in numerator. This is the answer of what? 17 by 7 is equal to 2 whole of 3 by 7 is the answer. Okay? How it is easy? Yes or no? Let's go to the another one. What is that? F. 35 by 9. This is that. My dear friends, I am not doing all the questions. Okay? Because some of the questions I am leaving for you, you just try in your home. Okay? So that you can understood how it will be solved. Okay? 35 by 9. Okay? Then divide it. 35 divided by 9. Okay? 9 3s are 27. 6 or 8. It is 8. Okay? So remainder is upper, whole number is side, and division will be like this. Okay? 9 3s are 27, 8 35 or not? Yes or no? So this is the process of converting the improper fraction into mixed fraction. Understood? Okay. Let's go to the third one. How the third one is linking. Okay? And how it will be solved. Okay? The third one. What is the third one is saying, my dear friends? It's saying that express the following as improper fraction. Improper. How? The first question is given 7 whole of 3 by 4. If I just make it larger, 7 whole of 3 by 4. To convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction, what you have to do? The denominator will be multiplied with the whole number, and what is the result will come? It will be added with the numerator. Means 7 fours are 28 plus 3. Or directly you can write 7 fours are 28 plus 3, 31. 31 by 4 is the answer. Like this manner. Okay? How it is easy. Okay? Next. 2 whole of 5 by 6. Again, same, this will be multiplied and this will be, the total will be add. 6 twos are 12 plus 5, 17. 17 by 6 is the answer. How it is easy? Yes or no? You can try in your home. Okay? Okay. Let's go for it. Next. 10 whole of 3 by 5. Who will tell me? Yeah, Akshit? Yes, very good. It is 53 by 5. Correct. Very good. Okay? So, my dear friends, these are the second topics of fractions. Okay? So, before going to the fraction, before going to this exercise, please remember the fundas. And if you like it, then subscribe my channels and wait for the new videos of standard 6th. Okay? Thank you. Have a nice day.